Hello everybody and welcome to It's Not That Hard, a series of videos in which I, Andrew Joseph Perez, take activities that have been made to seem prohibitively or at least inconveniently difficult and make them to seem like what they actually are. Not that hard. In today's video, making your own whip poppers. Now in any type of whip, the popper is the last bit, this thin little bit of thread tied on at the very end. This is the part that breaks the sound barrier, causing the sonic boom that you know better as a whip crack. When I was first learning to crack and make whips, I was constantly having to order new poppers because I kept losing them, they broke, whatever. But once I learned how to make them for myself, I realized I would never have to buy one again, and in fact, they are far too easy to make yourself than to ever need to buy them. Here is everything that you're going to need in order to make your very own whip poppers at home. Some mason's twine, a pencil, and a clamp, or even just your foot. Okay, my friends, this is all it takes. I've got my clamp here. You can also just take one end of your mason's twine and put it underneath your foot, stomping on it really hard. You need a piece of mason's twine about the length of your arm, a little bit shorter if you are of average height. Take a good inch or two and clamp it with either your foot or the clamp nice and tightly. Now you'll notice that the mason's twine itself has a certain twist to it. You're going to go with the twist, and all you've got to do is take your pencil, loop it in with about the same amount of twine extending back over itself. Now, pinch these two pieces of twine so the pencil is nice and secure, and twist about 50 times. Once you've got it all twisted, it'll be nice and tight. So, keeping your grip right here, remove your pencil, set that to the side, pinch the twine, flap out the little end bit, pinch in the middle, fold it over itself, now pinching with my right hand near either your foot or the clamp, pinch it nice and tight, and let go at the midpoint. Tie this end off with just a basic knot. And there, my friends, is a perfectly good homemade whip popper. And that's it, my friends. Like I told you, not that hard. Thank you so much for watching, everybody, and thank you as always to my Patreon producer-level supporters, Sarah Nelson, Matthew Ramos, David Perez, and Ryan Van Trick. I super appreciate your support. You can join them by joining me at my Patreon page, which you can find the link to right down below. You can also watch all of my other videos right here. See you later.